Hi everyone, today I'm sharing my hair care and daily natural makeup routine with Chiltan Pure products. I'm using Chiltan Pure Keratin Hair Serum which controls frizziness and makes my hair silky and shiny. I'm using just 2 pumps of it. Next I'm using Rose Scrub which removes toxins from my skin and makes my skin smooth and glowing. Massage in circular motion for 1 minute and see the results. Wow, my skin looks so glowing and smooth. Then I'm applying cucumber gel in a very small amount, which contains glycolic and hyaluronic. It minimizes pores, soothes and nourishes skin, and it works for acne and rashes as well. Applying my sunscreen on my face and neck, which is very important. Next is lip and cheek tint, which lasts longer and gives a beautiful natural pink look. Applying on my cheeks, nose, chin, and lips. Add some mascara for a complete look and you are done. I hope you like my video. I highly recommend Chiltan Pure products. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.